As far as this, I have seen two kind of entrepreneurs wherever I have seen and met the people. So one is basically the entrepreneur who is like a one-man army, who handles everything like operations, sales, business development. And second is like the person who really understands the importance of expertise. He just want to leverage and acquire expertise, and he just want to go off. So in the today's context, like for any kind of evolving business, what do you suggest? There should be a one-man army, or the person should have a own expertise and hire the people and get the...
See, depending on how much money you have. If you have money to invest, get expertise from day one. If you were building a team to play against Ronaldo's team, you need money, then you can hire the best team and you start winning. If you don't have money, then you put in all the work and make the money, and then one by one you hire. Yeah, Aditya.
So since we are on the topic of teams, so like hiring is one thing. The second thing is, as a founder or as an employer, having the mindset to manage it. When we get started, it's always us, a co-founder or 2-3 people. Say then eventually maybe 5-10 लोगों का टीम हो जाता है. So from being a solopreneur, you need a different mindset maybe to handle a 5% or 10% team. But it's not too different. Then you reach a point when you are having around 30 people with you or 40 people with you. That requires a very different mindset, and then eventually from there, when you have to go to managing a 50 or 100% team, like what do we have to change in ourselves? What is the change that we will have to bring in our mindset, in our thinking, to go from maybe managing a few people to managing maybe 30-40 people?
Right. So the thing is, you have to remove yourself from everything else, which I keep telling everybody. You have to do nothing because you're responsible for everything, but you're accountable for nothing on a daily basis. You're responsible for everything. On a daily basis, you're not accountable for anything. If you can remove yourself from your business for 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, that shows how much your business can do without you. You don't have to remove. You have to have the ability to remove. You can never remove, but you have the ability to remove, just to say, oh, piece जो मैं हूँ, आप निकालोगे नहीं उसको, but that just shows how strong the team is. And so if you are in sales, operations, this, client servicing, everybody is calling you, which most of us are, because we feel strong and authoritative if we have that, then we can't manage a large team. We have to manage only the 20% core functions of the business. That could mean sales. That could mean the 4 people who are running 25-member teams, unka mindset. So I go top down most of the time, and many times when I'm free, sitting in Canada, whatever, I go bottom up. So I'll call people who like, oh shit, kabhi phone, and I'm like, Riya, nahi sir, main Nidhi hu. Sorry, Nidhi, wo purana number Riya ke paas tha, wohi save kiya hota. Sorry, how are you? Are you enjoying yourself in this company? And all of that, small things. She'll tell me a problem, which maybe the top guy is not telling me. So I can, I know things in my company are happening. So, but because I have time, I have to free myself from situations. And for that, you have to just let other people do. See, I'm not a perfectionist. So मेरे लिए कहना आसान है. I'm like, ठीक है, थोड़ा आगे पीछे हो जाए. There are some people who are like, नहीं, ये font तो ऐसे ही होना चाहिए था. वो थोड़े ज़्यादा फंस जाते हैं. नहीं मेरे गाना है. तो my dad has always taught me, as long as profit बन रहा है, आगे बढ़ते रहो यार, वो बाद में ठीक कर देना. Second innings में, third iteration में, फिर आएगा मौका, फिर कर देना. आगे तो बढ़ो. Progress over perfection. So when you have to go back every quarter, every 100 days and ask yourself, what are the 20% things that I'm doing, which are moving the needle for me? And when you do that, you have to think, what are the things that you're very good at, and which are the things which other people are good at. Which you're good at, you keep yourself. Which are things that other people are good at. And like 8 hours is a long time for an entrepreneur. It's a long day for an entrepreneur. बहुत काम कर सकते हो आप. But अगर आप बोलो मुझे कॉल करना है, मुझे ये करना है, मुझे operations करना है, what we do is mostly, because we didn't go to school for this, right? And I don't think there's a founder school. Even in MBA, they don't teach you this. They teach you कि और काम कैसे करना है, उसमें ये format भी लगाओ, ये system लगाओ, ये reporting करो, ये email. All you need to do is, according to me, 4 senior people, and you focus on your get mindset and your sales. बाकी वो 4 लोग, keep guiding them every day. Maybe 2 20-minute calls a day. In the morning, 1.5 घंटा टीम से बात किया, शाम को 1.5 घंटा टीम से बात किया. उसके बाद करना क्या है? I'm not saying you're lying down and sleeping. You're working on something else. You're getting a sale. You're fixing the software that is not working for you. You're thinking 3 months ahead. क्या प्रॉब्लम आने वाली है? वो कह रहे CRM नहीं चल रहा है. वो कह रहे इवेंट प्लान करना है 100 दिन बाद. उस इवेंट के लिए होटल से बात करो. Can we get a better deal? You're thinking that. You're not on the everyday. You're on the everyday which is going to come after 3 months. You're not on the everyday for today. When you can free yourself with those things, then you can manage a bigger team. That's the answer.